Now that we're in the high heat of summer, it's time to get the hair off the neck and at the very least look cool, right? Brittany Smith is a stylist with Beauty Brands here with some easy summer looks, easy summer products that maybe we should think about incorporating into the mix. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for bringing models with you. What's the biggest thing we battle in the summer months?
A lot of people battle dry hair, their hair being dried out from the sun.
That's me. That's me. So what can we do about it?
One thing you can do is make sure to use a moisturizing shampoo. So today I brought with me Joico Moisture Recovery Shampoo.
You like this one?
Yes, I love that one.
Oh, and there's a big leader sale sticker on it. Leader sale time. We love that. Stock up time, right?
Yes.
For all your shampoos. So this one helps with the dryness. Then do you need a conditioner too?
Yes, they also offer a conditioner, and this one's great because it has botanical nutrients and biopeptide moisturizers to moisturize your hair.
Okay, got it.
So this is our model Billy, and she's wearing a beach wave today. So it's an easy summer look that will help fight against humidity. So to create this look, we used this is Soy Renewal by Sexy Hair. It's a beach spray that you can spray in your hair.
A beach spray. Does it have the beach smell?
Yes, it does.
All right. So how do you use that? Dry or wet?
You would use it dry, and you spray it in your hair all over, and it's just going to help activate your waves, and it also has argan oil in it, so it's going to help heal your hair and protect it from the sun.
I hear a lot about argan oil, right?
Yes.
And so once you have that sprayed in her hair, how do you get the beach wave to stay?
You could either air dry or kind of scrunch it with your fingers or use a diffuser, and once you get it dry, you would want to polish and prep your hair with a Beauty Brands Chi Iron. So a lot of people think a flat iron is just for flat hair, but you can actually create waves and curls with a flat iron.
Okay, real quick, this is kind of the Taylor Swift look, right? So how do you get that with the flat iron?
So if you were to do this look at home, you would go in, take about a 1-inch section of your hair, and you're going to come in vertically with the iron and clamp it at the root. Okay. And we're going to rotate your hair with 2 hands, 180 degrees, and then slide all the way out to the end. And then that's going to create your wave.
So you turn it 180 and then pull.
Yes.
And then pull. Very good. And you don't take very big pieces at a time.
Right. No more than 1 inch. And you can do that all around your head, and then you have a fun, easy beach wave.
Very nice. Thank you very much. All right. So we're going to bring in one more model to show another look that you have for us and some other products too.
This is our model, Lindsay. And she is wearing the fun textured braid, which is also another great look for summer.
Cute.
Very cute. So we prepped her hair with the Paul Mitchell Awapui shampoo.
Also in the leader sale?
Yes,
okay,
also $12.98 the leader sale.
Like to hear that.
And it's great because it removes dulling residues, but it's also safe for color-treated hair.
Okay.
So after shampooing her hair with Awapui shampoo, while it's still wet, we sprayed in the Infratextura Dual Action Hairspray by Chi.
While it's wet?
Yes, while it's wet.
All right.
It's great because you can use it while it's wet or while it's dry, and it's going to give texture, support, and hold. So we sprayed that all through her hair while it was wet and then blew it dry. And then to give this nice height up here in volume, we added the Powder Play by Sexy Hair, and this goes in your hair dry, and it's going to create instant lift and volume.
And so that's how you get a little bit of oomph at the crown.
A little bit of oomph. So I'm going to take some of this and sprinkle it in your hands. Okay. And if you kind of just rub it in, you can tell that it has like a cooling agent in it. So that's going to help absorb oil for second day hair. So if your hair is a little oily or a little greasy from being outside, you can sprinkle this all on your top and crown, and it's going to absorb that, yes, and give you instant volume.
How about, it is have a strange feel to it. Isn't that neat?
So we sprinkled that all over the top of Lindsay's hair and used our fingers to activate the volume. And then we just did a cute side braid. You can do a 3-strand braid or a fishtail braid and tied it off and sprayed it with a hairspray, and that's all you get.
Voila.
Yes.
Happy summer. Thank you, Brittany, for coming in.
Thanks, Carolyn.
You look darling.